What was that?
Oh, nice. Oh.
Whoa! That is awesome. Look at the
This is
explosion of
intense.
this guy.
Yeah.
This guy could be very promising. You know, earlier today, I was telling RJ kanina, ito naman yung tao, tumatalon-talon siya.
Oo
Sayang
nga eh.
yun for explosion yun. But look at him. He's just really explosive.
Yeah.
He's
Let's
got to
hope,
have it.
yeah.
But we want to see him do this even in the later rounds, or shall I say the latter rounds. Mga kaibigan, alam niyo mo, yung nakita niyo po kanina, it's a legitimate punch that kept his opponent off balance. There's an argument in what makes a knockout punch. Actually, a lot of times, it's just the right timing at the right placing. Diba?
Yes, that's right. That's right. Kahit gano'ng kalakas, pag medyo off yung tama,
Tama yan.
bihira ninyo ma-knockout yun. Pero yung tamang pwesto lang, tamang timing, yun, sigurado
Eksakto.
yun. Oo.
One strike, and there you go. He's jacking that arm off kasi po nilalak. Once again, he's got the back. Ilang beses po natin nakita ang back take ngayong gabing to. So far, for the first 3 bouts, we've seen it 3 times.
Yes,
Makikita
oo.
niyo po sa totoong away, ang ating likod ay parati pong na-expose.
Oo,
A lot of times, kailangan po natin matutunan kung paano iwasan na makuha ang ating likod, or many times, paano defendahan.
Yes.
Or defend. How to defend our back. Did I
Pero
say that
itong si
right?
Chuck, ang ganda ng body triangle niya. At yung body triangle yung ginagawa niya sa legs niya. No? Na isa-secure niya yung position niya at nahihirapan itong si Miguel. Okay? Sikip niyan, no?
Miguel Mosquera.
Isipin mo, dinedefend mo yung sarili mo sa mga suntok, tapos ini-squeeze pa yung sa bandang tiyan mo, no?
Yep, that's
So-
right. At saka napaka-tight nun eh.
Oh, yeah.
There's
oh.
hardly
Oh,
any escape. Pero
okay, now,
because
two
of
hooks
training.
in. Yeah, oo.
because of training, you just have the habit to put your hooks in. That's a very good position. Ito po, makikita po natin, si Chuck Olena is very promising.
Oh, yeah.
I see a lot of professional potential in this man. And I see, look, he has the knowledge and the base and the
Ganda,
ability
ganda.
to keep that position.
Yeah.
Makikita niyo po si Chuck Olena is not just explosive. Makikita niyo po siya, he's hungry.
Oh,
He's like
yeah.
a wolf climbing a hill, just going for that meat. And when I
Galing, oh.
say meat, I'm not talking about Jed's meat. Okay? We're talking about meat just wanting to win. Okay? There you go.
Galing.
Whatever meat that was in Jed's body part, I don't want to talk about it. Okay?
Pag napapansin mo itong si Chuck ngayon, hindi pa rin na ano yung base niya, nasa taas pa rin siya. Wala
That's
pang
right.
threat man lang na
Makita
ayun,
mo,
oh.
he's even at this point sprawling.
Last 30 seconds first round.
That's right, RJ. We got the last 30 seconds. A guillotine.
Oh.
Oh boy, that was a very good elevator or
Oh,
sweep.
no. Is it a tight
Now-
guillotine choke? No.
See, Chuck must have been a little clumsy, but we'll never know until he holds on. In this position, mukha siyang hindi superior, pero alam mo, a lot of times, that half guard works a lot of ways.
Oh yes, oo.
Okay, so Chuck Olena, we will see how he's good in this
Okay,
back.
that was the end of round number 1.
Round 1.
And we will see how the judges scored that round.
Judge number 1.
Control over the ring. Kung ang nakikita po natin, nakokontrol ang kalaban at nakikita po natin na meron siyang superior position, kahit ho wala naglanda suntok, basta po nakikita po natin that he's controlling the fight.
Yes.
That's an indication that
Round 2!
that's an indication that it's round 2.
Yes, oo.
That's right. Nice timing, bro.
Yung
A
sinasabi
lead
ni Manny
roundhouse
kanina,
kick.
Yun yung advantage na tinatawag. Kahit hindi point, basta tabla kayo, pero ikaw yung mas aggressive, may advantage na i-award sa'yo to
That's
win
right.
the round.
Wow.
Ganda ng
A
tuhod.
very clean knee. And he's just going on a combination.
Galing, galing.
I like what's going on right now. Nakita po natin,
Whoop.
wow.
Oy,
He
nice.
is still sweeping it and continues punching coming from Miguel Mosquera.
Now he's trying
Miguel
to-
Mosquera is
Taking the
defending his leg.
Yeah.
Defending his leg against a possible knee bar. Of course, Chuck Olena is just enjoying his time as much as Miguel is, because this is just another day at the office, as
Oh,
they would
yeah.
say. Para na po, araw-araw po natin ginagawa, araw-araw po nila ginagawa to. Makikita po natin ang importansya ng walang bisyo. Hindi umiinom at hindi nagyosi.
Kaso, si Barangay Ginebra siya.
Kaya po kailangan natin
Hindi,
ang
yan.
Ginebra.
Oo.
There you go. We got it. Take, a high take, and a sweep attempt. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Hindi.
There you go.
Yung mga sponsors natin, talagang ano sila, promoting sports.
And we have a half guard so far and a half mount. And of course, Chuck Olena is enjoying his time right on top of that. Look at that.
We're back. It's parang first round to, no?
First round pa lang, pero makikita natin yung fatigue factor. Dito po natin makikita ang importance ng ensayo.
Yeah,
Ensayo po, pag sinabi natin ensayo, hindi lang ensayo na, mag-weights ako.
Oo.
Kailangan po natin, we need to cross-train, we need to run, we need to do weights, we need to do our jiu-jitsu,
Yes,
we
of
need to
course.
do our wrestling, we need to do our boxing, our kickboxing if not. Nakikita po natin si Chuck Olena ay nasa mount, throwing out his
Ganda.
punches. Miguel Mosquera is
Up.
just doing his best to defend himself.
The referee will bring them back sa gitna.
Jed, a very good decision from Jed to reposition our fighters. Kasi po, ang ring could be sometimes, could present as a problem.
You know, Manny, correct me if I'm wrong, pero dahil first round, ginudge na para kay Chuck.
Yes.
Now, since we just have 3 rounds, kung round number 2, si Chuck pa rin ang panalo, ibig sabihin, hindi na kailangan yung round 3. Kasi, panalo na si Chuck, di ba?
Oh, that's how it is.
Yeah, oo. Okay.
Pwedeng
so
humabol
pwede,
ng round 3.
knockout, submission. Okay.
For submission or
30
knockout.
seconds. That's 30 seconds.
That's right. Now Chuck is going for the takedown again.
Nice takedown.
Awesome takedown, going for a superior position. Look at him. This is sort of like reminiscing of Randy Couture.
Oh,
He just
yeah?
goes for the half guard and
Oo.
then he just pounds on the guy. Maganda po ito. Nakikita po natin si ang isang mixed martial arts champion, or shall I say, UFC champion. Ito po yung half guard. Pag isang leg po na lock in.
Okay, that was the end of round number 2. Clarification nga pala, hindi pa pala tapos yung round. We have a third round. Okay?
Judges score.
Hindi na pwedeng manalo si Miguel, no? So paano siya pwedeng manalo? Pag na-knockout niya or pag napasubmit niya tong si Chuck. So,
That's right.
Kailangan mailabas na ni Miguel lahat ng ilalabas niya.
Okay, so of course this afternoon wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for Crocodile Tape. And of course, we also have Team Vita Plus, Barangay Ginebra, and Team Coke Zero making this team possible because of our sponsors.
Round 3!
Okay.
And Victory Central Mall. A very good venue
Good
in
check.
educating a lot of people kung paano po ang mixed martial arts.
Nice.
Attempted
Nice
high
try.
kick, that's a left rear high kick po na nanggagaling po kay Miguel Mosquera of Team Coke Zero.
You know, Miguel really has to do something in this round, no? He's down 2 rounds. So, kailangan talaga niyang i-boost lahat na ng training niya.
You know, we see Miguel displaying this time the reliability of a kick at this point kung meron ng fatigue.
Yeah.
Kung pareho po tayong pagod sa grappling at ang muscles natin ay na-memorize ng grappling, sometimes a kick can fit in.
Oh, yes, all.
And we can see it's been reliable. And he has a kick of his own. We're talking about Chuck Olena from
Nice.
Team Ginebra.
Now, it's looking like a stand-up bout right now for round number 3.
That's
compared
right.
to the first 2 rounds.
And let's face it, a kick could be
Nice.
less consuming in terms of energy pagdating, pag may fatigue na tayo.
Yeah.
Lalo na yung mga kicks sa loob ng tuhod. Yung tuhod na yan, pwede ho mag-slow down kung medyo na saktan po natin ng joints.
You know, ang hindi ko lang alam if Miguel has a strategy ngayon, dahil nga down siya sa points, no? Kung hinahabol niya knock out, no?
That's
Kaya
right.
he's trying to keep the fight on the ground, no? So we
Which
don't
is
know.
why.
Yeah, oo.
Which is why the third round is basically designed for that.
Oh, yes. Oo.
The possibility na may submission dahil sa
Yun,
pagod.
no? Talagang
At meron po tayong exchange. A very little head movement from both fighters. Medyo binibigay po ang kanilang ulo, pero then again, again, the fatigue factor.
yeah, kahit sabihin mong 3 minutes lang to. Grabe yung pagod niyan. 3 minutes lang.
Chuck Olena from Barangay Ginebra and Miguel Mosquera from Team Coke Zero. Both teams are so far doing a good job.
Yeah, oo. Ganda ng
It's
pinapakita
been
nila.
Team Coke Zero and Barangay Ginebra neutral so far, and we shall see how this, a very good leg check.
Yeah, galing, ganda.
Sinek niya yung leg to defend his leg right there, his lead leg. Defending himself against a lead roundhouse kick.